Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and share someone's story on Instagram to your story without being tagged. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access your particular Instagram on your mobile phone. Once you access, so the thing is, if you go to your Reels section, you can share your reel by tapping on the share and tapping on this add to story, and your reel will be shared to your story, somebody else's reel, right? But if you simply want to share, let's say, this person's story, right? If you simply want to share this particular story, there is no way you can share this. Even if you tap on three dot, you have unmute, story, report, and nothing else. So the two options that I can give you is, first, simply take a screenshot, right? Simply take a screenshot of this particular story of yours and crop it out and just put out the person's name and then just add it. Other is simply take a screen recording. You can tap on the screen recording, simply records it to the media, start recording, and simply record the story of that person, that whichever one you want to share. And then once you have done so, you can tap on this close and go back, go access your gallery. You will find a particular story. You can test story, right? Go ahead, crop it according to your liking and post it on your Insta. Those are the only ways. Otherwise you cannot post somebody else's story without being actually tagged on it. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.